Greetings everybody, we're back. That's MB.
That's MB.
We are the fucking Loot Troop.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Yeah. We've had no dolls.
We'll talk about what's happening with the dolls.
You don't get fuck all if you don't get no dolls or anything.
We'll talk about what's happening with the dollies at the end of the next video, which will be the second Loot Crate video, ZBox video, because there's been some sad developments, in my opinion. Goddamn shit providing of dolly services. So I don't even know what this Loot Crate, this ZBox is actually. I think it was something to do with Harry Potter, so it hasn't even floated my boat one bit.
Well, no, it's going to be shit.
Yeah.
Even before we open it.
I mean, we apologise if you are Harry Potter fans, because there's obviously some out there, because they've made a fucking world of it. somewhere down south, lots of Harry Potter fans.
Yeah.
Like, all that type of stuff. So we do apologise to the Harry Potter fans. It's just not our bag, baby. So this is the. Yeah, no, it's definitely the smaller one. Second, we'll explain about that in the smaller one video. This is the whatever it is. We'll have a look when the book comes out.
Yeah.
ZBox for not this month, not last month, the month before.
Just expect things to get thrown.
Yeah, it's a while. So let's get it out with. Right. Fuck, man. It's a t-shirt.
Oh, let's have a look.
I'm going to get the book out so we know exactly what it is. It's called Mystical.
I don't know what that is.
What is it? I don't even know what that is. So yeah, that's
I have no idea.
Away. Not bothered whatsoever. There's a Harry Potter bag of shit.
Dragon Age?
Yeah, Dragon Age.
Alright.
Figure. What's that? Sandwich box.
You can tell from the look at his face that he's fucking seriously impressed with this.
What's Tabitha?
Rip the top off this, yeah.
I don't mind. Like, if this is a full-on story, like, I'll give it a whirl. You know what I mean? Because... Oh, smells good.
Can I off that?
Blackies.
No.
That's secondary school stuff, that. Oh, he's alright. Who's he?
Can we have a look?
What's he called?
What do I know? Arishok.
Arishok. Just like Tabitha. Luke works as a mailman in Los Angeles and moonlights as a thief. The empty houses on his postal route are rich, easy pickings for him and his friends. Everything goes to plan until one house turns out to be not quite so empty. The situation escalates rapidly, leaving the happy-go-lucky thieves battling for their lives, all because of Tabitha. I'm taking it Tabitha's a German Shepherd.
It's got in the bin.
Oh yeah, not bad.
Alright, show me what's in your fucking...
What's that for?
Fantastic Beasts t-shirt.
I'm not bothered.
Harry Potter lunchbox. You're not going to get much fucking lunch in there, like... I wouldn't even get one of my sarnies in that. Dragon Age collectible and Tabitha.
Yeah, that's okay. Side of that bag of shit.
Just fucking burn it. That's all that can be done.
Yeah, anyone want a t-shirt?
I don't think anybody wants the t-shirt.
So yeah, that was the...
Class that one, eh? It was worth
Mystical.
waiting 3 months for.
Yeah, that was the Mystical special ZBox unboxing of shit.
We're glad you liked it.
There's a Tabitha down there as well. If okay, back up. I might actually read that. I don't mind.
You won't read. You won't read.
No, I probably won't. So there we go.
Bondi night fodder.
Yeah, On the back, what we didn't know, female superheroes.
Yeah.
So there we go. That's the next one we're going to be opening. That's it.
Yeah.
I'll have a drink of my tea. You can reel a spiel.
Yeah, if you want to get in contact with us, post a comment, youtube.com/LootTube, Instagram, The Loot Troop, Twitter, @LootTroop, that's MB.
And that's MB, and that's a bag of shit. Or a box of shit.
Yeah. See you next time.
See you next time. Do you reckon you can fit in that? Harry Potter
Fucking. Oh, go ahead.
t-shirt?
Harry Shock.
Irish shop. Box. Boo.
Look at that.
Sound? Does it close? Happy days. And what we do is we pick it up and we take it this way. Filed under fucked.